Hey everyone! Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore a handy feature in iOS 17, changing your device's time zone even while it's in standby mode. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just want to keep an eye on different time zones, this tip is for you. So, let's dive right in. First thing you should do is to open your device settings. Scroll down till you find an option called General. On the new window, scroll down and find an option called Time and Date. Let's open up this one. Here as a second option group you can find the time zone. There are two options. First one is to choose a specific time zone that you want. When you click on this option, a list of available time zones will appear. Scroll through the options and select the time zone you want to switch to. Second one is to set the time zone automatically. Second option will select your time zone automatically. And there you have it, changing your time zone on standby mode in iOS 17 is as easy as that. Whether you're traveling, working with international contacts, or just keeping track of different time zones, this feature is incredibly handy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us.